A lot of clouds around today and the much cooler weather that has filtered in. Temperatures only in the 50s, and these clouds, even though some of them near the coast producing a little bit of rain, our air is so dry that rain coming out of the clouds is evaporating before reaching the ground. So not expecting any rain this evening, and the clouds will stick around through the evening hours and then slowly thin out overnight tonight. So if you're heading out and about this evening, expect mostly cloudy skies but no rain. It will, however, be cold. Temperatures only in the upper 40s and lower 50s and quickly falling. It is going to be a cold night tonight. Out and about in Conway, mainly clearing skies, but cool. Temperatures only around 50 degrees. Getting breezy late night tonight as those temperatures continue to fall as well. So cold and breezy tonight, windy and cool tomorrow. And tomorrow night we are talking about a hard freeze area wide. Many places across our area have already seen the beginning of the growing season, so this could be a damaging late season freeze tomorrow night. Even tonight, a few spots will get down to around freezing, but it's going to be tomorrow night that we will get colder. Some spots tomorrow night will be in the upper 20s. Temperatures outside right now, mid-50s pretty much everywhere. Remember yesterday at this hour, we had many places in the 70s, so running a good 10 to 15 degrees cooler than we were yesterday, and temperatures will start to fall here as the sun sets this evening. A lot of clouds across the Carolinas right now, but we will see some clearing of the clouds later on this evening. Another batch with a reinforcing shot of the cooler weather will be moving through late night tonight, but even those will be gone by tomorrow. So I am expecting clear skies for tomorrow, but that's not going to warm us up. Our forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy this evening and then partly cloudy late night tonight. Could see a few clouds as we head through the overnight hours, but by tomorrow morning it will be nice and sunny. Sunshine, but windy tomorrow and cold. Highs only in the middle 50s with a little bit of a wind chill. Tomorrow night, clear skies, winds calming down, a few clouds moving in late night, but very cold, upper 20s and lower 30s tomorrow night. And there are the clouds moving in on Friday. That rain is getting set to move in for the weekend, but we should stay dry on Friday. Our forecast for tonight, partly cloudy, breezy and cold, low 30s inland areas, middle 30s right along the beaches. For tomorrow, lots of sunshine, but it's going to be windy and cold, highs only in the low to middle 50s. We should be closer to 70 this time of year, and with that gusty wind, it's going to feel cooler than that. At the beaches tomorrow, small craft advisory because of that northwest wind at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Waves are running 2 to 4 feet, and our surf temperatures at 54 degrees. 7-day forecast showing the cold weather coming in and sticking around. Notice that nighttime temperature tomorrow night into Friday morning. Even at the coast, we're talking about freezing temperatures, about 30 degrees, upper 20s inland areas. Some spots could be in the mid-20s. Good news past that, we won't have the cold nighttime temperatures, but it's going to stay cool during the daytime hours. And over the weekend, we are talking about that chance for rain both Saturday and Sunday. And in my garden, I have actually planted my tomatoes. Notice, however, that they are in pots, which is great because when it gets cold, I can bring them in. There is a benefit to getting the tomatoes out early because once it gets hot in July, they tend to not produce as much. But if you already have your tomatoes out, hopefully they're not in the ground, because even along the Grand Strand, you shouldn't plant them in the ground until after April 1st, PD after April 8th. In the pots, if you have tomatoes in the pots, bring them in tomorrow night for the frost or the freeze. If they're in the ground, they shouldn't be, but if they are, water them heavily before the freeze sets in and cover the plants up. That hopefully will protect them.
Good advice. Thank you so much. Hope your plants do well.
Me too.